Hi friends, welcome to Krako's video series. In this particular question, we have an interesting question based on number systems and number series. So let's take a look at the question. A person, while adding the numbers from 1 to n, added a number twice and got the sum as 3200. Find the number he added twice. See, in general, when you sum till n, what is the sum of numbers, natural numbers till n? It is given by n by 2 times n plus 1. So for 100, we know that this is 5050. For 90 it would be 45 into 90, so that would be around 49 something, 4900ish. So this has to be some number slightly lesser than 90 as such. If we consider 80 would be sum to 80 is how much? 80 into 81 divided by 2. So this would be 40, this would be equal to 3240. So we see that this number n has to be somewhere near 80 as such, because sum to 80 is 3240 and our 3200 is pretty close to it. So see, n by n plus 1 by 2 plus some number x which has been added twice, this is equal to 3200. So we'll try to basically figure out which sum till n is close to 3200, and then from that we can figure out what x is. We know that 80 is slightly over. Now if 80 is slightly over 3200, then 79 would be slightly under. So sum to 79 would be basically minus 80 of this. So sum to 79, 1 plus 2 till 79 would be basically 3240 minus 80. So that would be 3160. Now if this is 3160, this fits exactly over here, where this should be equal to 3160 plus x, which will be equal to 3200. So x in this case will be equal to 40. Now some people might ask, why not 78? The thing is that when you remove like one more and you say that 1 to 78, I'll reduce the sum by another 79. So that is basically how much that would be. If I reduce 80, that would be, so this would be equal to 3081 plus 79 would be 3160. Now if I say that, okay, if I say that the sum is still 78 and this is 3081, then the required x value would be greater than 78. Now if it is greater than 78, he won't add a number twice because he is adding from 1 to n. So whatever he has added twice has to be in that particular area. So that means that x can take only one value, that is when the number n is still 79 and the number that he has added twice is 40. So the right answer to this question is 40. This is how you should solve questions like this. Try out where n can be. In such kind of situations, don't give up by seeing that you have a equation and you don't know where to proceed with this equation. Try to figure out what values n can take in these kind of situations. Whenever you have a linear equation with two variables, you just have one equation. Just figure out what value, given that n is a natural number, what could be the potential values x can take. From that you will get a clue as to what the value of x is. This is how you solve questions of this type.